Hello! In the previous two videos, I showed you how to use the Windows Snap feature in Windows 10. In the first video, I showed you how to use the Windows Snap feature using the mouse. And in the second video, I showed you how to use it with the keyboard instead. Now, regardless of how you decide to use the Snap feature, keyboard or mouse or a combination of both, in this video, I'll show you how to make that process even easier and faster by using another Windows 10 Snap feature, known as Snap Assist. So, what is Snap Assist? Well, Snap Assist is a feature that is included in Windows 10 that automatically comes to life as you snap a window and you are left with a partially empty screen. All other open windows will be displayed in that partially empty space as thumbnails, making it easier to select and snap your next open window. Let us see a demo. Let's say you snap a window to the left half of your screen, leaving the right half of your screen blank. If you have any other open windows, as I do here, Snap Assist will bring them up as thumbnails in the empty right half of your screen. All you have to do at this point is click on a thumbnail, and that window will snap open in the right half of your screen. Now here's a feature I really like and use a lot. If you have two windows snapped side by side, you can resize both windows simultaneously by selecting and dragging the dividing line between them. Resize the window on one side to the size you want it to be. The other window will resize itself to fit alongside of it. As you already know from previous videos, you can also snap windows to any screen quadrant. And yes, Snap Assist can help you there too. Let us see a demo of that as well. Notice though, there are no divider lines here that can help resize windows simultaneously. That appears to only work with two windows that are side by side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing CBSI.